Hi guys, welcome back. In previous video we discussed about addition. Let's recall a little bit about addition, then we will move towards subtraction. If both numbers contain same signs, for example both contain positive sign or both contain negative sign, we will do addition. And you don't need to write positive sign with the first number. If it is positive, it is already understood, you don't need to write. Now 7 and 2, that's 9, and that is just after the equality sign, so you don't need to mention here if it is positive, it is already understood. Here you will again do addition 7 and 2, 9, and you will mention the negative sign because both numbers contain the negative sign. Now let's move towards subtraction. If both numbers contain opposite signs, then we will do subtraction. For example, this is 7, which is positive 7, and this is negative 2. Now both numbers contain different signs. Again, if 7 is negative and 2 is positive, both contain the opposite signs. We will do subtraction here. You will subtract small number from the larger number. So 7 minus 2 is 5. Here you will do the same thing, 7 subtract 2 from 7, that is 5. But what is the difference between these two equations? The answer contains the sign of larger number. Here 7 is the larger number and its sign is positive, so answer will also contain positive sign. Here the larger number is 7 and its sign is negative, so answer will have negative sign. Now let's move towards solving a few questions. We need to add for example, we need to add these two numbers. Now 5 and 9, that is 14. 14 contains two digits, 4 and 1. And let me explain a concept here. This is 7, 1, 5. This place is called ones, and this one is called tens. This is hundreds, and this one is thousands. These are all place values. Now if we give 1 from here to here, so that one is 10 times greater than this position, because this is tens and this is ones. So if we give 1 here, so this 2 and 1 from here is moved here, so that becomes 12, because we are giving actually 10 to the lower position. And if this is hundreds and this is tens, so 100 is 10 times greater than 10. Again here this is 1000 and this is hundreds place, so 1000 is 10 times greater than hundreds. So if we give 1 from here to here, so that one is basically will be 10 times greater than this one. So we will write 1 from here before this number, making it 11. This concept further will be clarified by solving the question. 5 and 4, this is 14. So 4 will be written here and the 1 will be carried over here. Now 1 plus 1, that is 2, and plus 2, that is 4. 7 and 1, 8. Simple. Now let's do a question of subtraction to clarify our concept of place values. So this is we need to subtract this one from this one. So 8 cannot be subtracted from 2. We give 1 from this 3 to this. We can say 1 will be donated from 3 to 2. And this one is 10 times greater than this one, because this is tens position, tens place, and this is ones place. So this one will be written just before this 2, making it 12. We don't need to write it here, we will just have it in our mind. So this becomes 12, and 8 subtracted from 12, the result is 4. Now here 2 is remaining because we already donated 1 there. 5 cannot be subtracted from 2. So we will again get a donation of 1 from 7. So if 2 was already remaining here, and 1 which is 10 times greater than this, because this is hundreds position, hundreds place, and this is tens place. So that one will make this 2 12. Now subtract 5 from 12, 7 will remain. Now here, because we donated 1, so 6 is remaining here. So 6 minus 2, that is 4. And this 8 will be as it is written here. So this is the answer. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay connected, to learn with us and to motivate.